We've got a couple here. A couple. Barn swallows. Are they friends or are they lovers? Oh, that means I'm going to have to start singing. What would you say if I told you I always wanted to hold you? What would they say if we something made love? Nothing would change if we made love. So I'll be your friend, and I'll be your lover, 'cause I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh no, we could be both to each other. Yes, it's a chance that we're taking. Somebody's heart may be breaking. Ooh, but they can't stop what's inside us. Our love for each other will guide us. One of my favorite songs of all time. So So I'll be your friend. Where'd you go? And I'll be your lover, 'cause I know in our hearts we agree. We don't have to be one or the other. Oh no. Woo! Woo! We're putting on a show.